In today's world, small to mid-sized manufacturing companies are in a difficult spot when they consider how to take the correct steps towards adopting new technology or business processes. They do not have easy access to industry experts and consultants like their bigger siblings in Fortune 1000 ranks. Based on this gap in exposure, they often struggle to get insight into trends, opportunities, and innovation for where to best invest. To confuse the issue further, they are bombarded by a myriad of technology vendors with point solutions that are very specific to a particular need, but do not provide a cure for all that ails them. The U.S. government also sees the gap in meeting the needs of small to mid-sized manufacturers. The goal of the government is to stimulate innovation and growth in American manufacturing, as well as ensure the same innovation gets transferred to defense providers. As a result, they developed, through the United States Department of Commerce, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Through the MEP, the government stimulates the growth and penetration of new ideas and technologies to those that would otherwise not have access to them. In the Philadelphia, Delaware Valley region, the MEP relies on the efforts of the DVirc, Delaware Valley Industrial Resource Center, to promote and drive the concepts of Industry 4.0, lean manufacturing, and strong investment in the human element. The DVirc is tasked with reaching out to this segment of the manufacturing community, connecting the dots, and engaging to drive innovation and efficiency. Avanceon has worked with the DVirc to meet the people development and technical innovation needs for a number of manufacturers in the local community. It was encouraging to see the method and scale of help the Resource Council could provide to those that would often go underserved. At Advancion, we see the value of and the need for the matchmaking and consultative role of the DVirc and organizations like them around the country. We think it's a great step in the right direction. For more information about our services, please visit us at www.avancion.com.